I don't wanna do this anymore. All this fake love, what for?
What's up everyone, my name is Young Inferno and I'm here to make a beat for you guys. Now today, since it's my first ever beat making video, I want this to be really special. So for Christmas, for the holidays, Native Instruments have made one of their instruments for free, and this is like a Asian guitar type stuff. It's really cool. So let's get into FL Studios. Sound is already loaded up. I haven't listened to it, so let's go. So here we got Contact loaded up, and let me just select stuff. So right away off the bat, we got presets. Let's just open it. We got it. And I like this because there's not much low end. So let's put okay. It's a little fast. Alright, I think that's good. I mean, obviously I'm gonna put some effects, so it's not the final result, but we're gonna add some drums. I'm gonna use my purple cake. Well, it's not mine. I found that on Reddit. Yo, Reddit is a good place to find whatever. If you need answers for producing, if you need beat kits, because this purple kit is a Reddit kit. I found it on Reddit. Downloaded it for free. This thing has been used, at least one thing in this pack has been used in every one of my beats. It's like perks. I never used that one. I think I used that one I made one drill beat. If you guys want me to make a drill beat, 20 likes, I'll make a drill beat. I'm not kidding. I'll make a drill beat, 20 likes. So yeah, let's finish the rest of the drums. So I'm just gonna add a hi-hat. That's really good. Alright, let's put the kicks in, and then we're pretty much off to mixing and then arranging. So I'll just kind of fast forward through this. If you guys want to see like a full unedited like beat making, like, then yeah, definitely comment that. Put them here, send to the mixer track, boom. So what I like to do is, well, first and foremost, I like to put my kicks, my kicks, I route them to the master track and to a side chain that I'm gonna write. That's how I write my side chain. It's gonna vary every episode. Yeah, so basically my kick is played 2 times, but because you want the kick to be the loudest instrument, like you want it to be the most present, as well as the 808s. And yeah, you wanna, yeah, so basically for your instruments, I suggest, if you're making beats, whatever, I suggest maximum 3, like at least 2, because you don't want the beat to be boring, but at the same time you don't want it to be too complicated, right? So you can add a piano, like look at this chord progression. It's not complicated at all. It's really not complicated. And then I just put accent notes here. I have a pad. It's just a pad, and then yeah, it's just a pad. And then you have these bell, which accents the counter melody. That's all I have, and it's really not complicated. Like 3 instruments like that. I mean, you're layering. So first, I'm just gonna EQ this. I pulled back a bit on the highs because it started to get a bit muddy, but so I took out the low end frequencies just so I could leave space for the 808s to kick. Now it's on to like the crazy effects. So what are we gonna put on here? I think maybe a chorus. Let's check what that does. I think that's good. Now here's where it's gonna get really crazy. Where it's gonna get really crazy. I think if I could put an RC, yeah, let's do that. That's gonna be, this plugin is like crazy. Get this plugin. The wobble. I think it just gave a little bit more character. And that's the beat, guys. So with all the technical difficulties and all that stuff, all we gotta do right now, the final thing, the cherry on top, is the beat tag.
Hey, Dante.
What's up? So yeah, here's the beat. I'll play for you guys for the outro. So thank you very much. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would love it if you guys give this a like. Remember, 20 likes, I'll make the drill beat. Leave a comment on what I should improve. And that's it. It's been your boy. My name, once again, Young Inferno. Heading out. Peace.
Hey, Dante.